Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a versatile head covering that can be used for a variety of different purposes. The first thing you're going to want to do is to take your measurements. First measure from ear to ear, then measure around your head. The measurement from ear to ear was 16 and around the head was 21. Once you have your measurements, divide them in half. Add 2 inches to your ear-to-ear measurement and then subtract 4 inches from the around the head measurement. If your knit isn't very stretchy or if you want a looser fit, then only subtract 2 inches or use your actual measurements. So let's do the math. 16 plus 2 equals 18, divided by 2 equals 9. That will be my pattern length. 21 minus 4 equals 17, divided by 2 equals 8.5. That will be my pattern width. Make a rectangle that's your pattern length by your pattern width. I'm using a standard piece of print paper because my mannequin had a small head. Now, I would need a larger piece of paper if I was going to do this for a regular adult, but I was able to plot my measurements on a standard 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Use a round edge to round off one of the corners. I use the top of an oatmeal box. Fold your pattern in half lengthwise and then cut on your lines. Alright, now that you have your pattern piece cut out, you're going to place it on top of your fabric. Right sides facing each other and cut out 2 pieces. Alright, next thing you're going to do is sew all the way around the edge with a straight stitch. Once you get to the end, you're going to go back and you're going to zigzag or finish off your edge. And then it's going to look like that. You're going to zigzag the bottom, turn it up 1 inch, and you'll be ready to sew on the hem. Set your machine to one of its decorative stitches and then stitch down the edge. Before you do this on your hat, you might want to practice on another piece of fabric, some scraps first. And that's what the decorative edging looks like when it's all done. And there you have it, your finished Scully scarf liner or Chemo cap. Well, that's it for this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Consciously Modest Sewing Network. And as always, remember to subscribe to what fits you. Have a great day. Bye.